Hi guys, good evening. Today I am going to just give you an idea of how you can do a little bit of remodeling of your car, which gives you a very sporty look. I have done this designing of my own by collecting different available materials from the market or from the car accessories shop. I'm using Grand i10 second gen sports model. This is a very wonderful car. I would definitely recommend people to go ahead with that. But before that, I would like to recommend that when you do little bit of remodeling of your car, few colors doesn't suit much or doesn't allow you to do much remodeling. One of the best colors which goes along for remodeling is the red and the white. So this is my car, Hyundai Grand i10 second gen. I have done a very neatly. I have done this badging which looks very nice. Along with that, you can see on the grille I have done a little bit of chrome finishing which gives a very posh look. Now coming to the side, I have done this grille work also with little bit of chrome touch. You can see the tire. I have given a red patch over there with little bit of reflector on the wheel cover. I have also used the badges here. This gives a very sporty look, but you need to be very careful when you are selecting these badges. Also, I have done a dual tone. You can see it's a black and red combination. All this night I won't be able to show you, but my car also have the anti-reflector screen on the front, which stop the UV ray to come inside. Also keep your car cool. This is one thing which some of you will like, some won't like, but I really like it. You can see this leopard which goes or blends very well with the color. And this is the back side of the car. I have done a little bit of bumper guard here with the chrome again. And here I have the badging of Hyundai. Now I will show you when I switch. So in the dark it looks something like this. There is a door safety light which gives an add-on look or a posh look for your car. This looks beautiful, isn't it? I just close it and it gets switched off. It's a battery operated and very easy to get installed. Once you open the car, this light will spot on the floor to ensure that your door is open, and this is how it looks. This is when you use your indicator. It will actually glow when you use the side left and right indicator in this way. You can see. Now I show you one more thing, that is on the back side. Back side I have a separate reflector here in this area. When you press the brake it will be more bright, and this is how it looks from the back. Now I will take you inside the car. What are the accessories I have inside the car? I have incorporated this blue color which is very soothing, and it gives you a feeling when you enter the car. Actually, you can actually get an idea from here itself. It gives a very posh look. Now what are the things I have inside my car? This is a very essential item nowadays because of the increase of the pollution. This absorbs the the bad smell. It absorbs the fine dust inside the car. This is one accessory that I have used in my car, which records your driving, the front side driving in fact, because basically most of the time you can see it's somebody's else fault, or somebody come and hit your car, and you are safeguarding your driving skill by showing this video to the police or to the RTO. So I will recommend this, that you can go ahead. Rather than that, not much, the small touches that I have done in my car. One more small thing I would like to show you in my car, in my back seat. I have a small reading light here. I have a small reading light here. This is for my son who like to read books while traveling, or going somewhere. It's a small one. It's a battery operated and doesn't cost you much. So this is a small item which I in fact selected from different vendors. I have a tissue paper and bottle holder here. One more thing I would like to show you. In the back side of my car, you can see there is a LED light which I have fitted, which is also a sensor LED light, which actually allow you in the night and gives you a full bright look. I have used this for arrangement of my toolkits. It gives your car very neat look. And from the back side of your car you can see how does it look. Hope you liked my video. So these small changes will definitely give your car a new definition, a new look. And definitely this chrome finish you can see is actually enhance the feeling of the car. Thank you so much. I will bring more videos in the coming days. This is my first video on YouTube. Please subscribe me and definitely give a thumbs up if you like my style and work. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.